much for joining this class. Be very welcome. We are going to learn how to first paint a flower and then coloring it. It can be the flower I present. You will find the image and the resources for this class, or it can be any other flower of your liking. Or even if you prefer to just paint some other subject matter, go ahead and do so. So you're gonna be learning how to paint with lights and shadows. This means that we will start painting in black and white to then pass to the coloring process. And you are going to discover how easy it is to paint like this and how flexible this technique is. We will be first painting it in a color, and then I will show you how to easily change that color so you can have a full bouquet, a full range of flowers or whatever your subject matter is. We additionally will be talking about how to organize your layers, how to set your brushes for painting, how to treat your edges, and how to add details. So I'm very much looking forward to start this class and to see what you do with it. So please, when you're done, I would love to see your artwork. Now let's start.